November 5th, 2020, matching. Directions. We're going to fill in the table with the missing ratio pieces. All right, so we're going to match these ratios and ratio comparison statements. So, what we're going to do is, first of all, we have some missing ratio comparison statements, and then we have some missing ratios. So, what we're going to do is, over here, we have for every 5 pens, there are 2 markers. So for every 5 pens, there are 2 markers. So what we have first is 5 pens. And then we have 2 markers. So 5 pens is going to be first, and then 2 markers. So it's going to be 5 first, and then 2. So our answer is going to be 5 to 2. 5 to 2, or 5/2. Here we go, 5 to 2. Remember, order matters. Order matters. All right, so let's hope that this last one matches up with 2 to 5, or 2 with that fraction 5. For every 2 markers, there are 5 pens. So we have 2, and then we have a 5, 2, and then a 5. Yes, indeed. So we are going to match that one there. All right, let's take a look here. For every 7 colored pencils, there are 5 pens. So 7 colored pencils is first. I'll do that in blue. And then 5 pens is second. So 7 colored pencils, 5 pens. Well, if we have 7 first, so that's 7 to 5, because we have that 7 colored pencils, and then we have those 5 pens. Perfect. Okay, so 7 to 5, same thing. You can still write it as 7:5. Let's make sure that last one matches up. For every 5 pens, there are 7 colored pencils. So we have that 5, and then we have that 7. 5:7, 5 to 7. Yes, indeed. That is it for the matching. Great job.